everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious and easiest chicken pepper soup. Trust me, this is the only recipe you would ever need. Let's get started. First, we will add our chicken to the pot and season it with chicken seasoning cubes, Cameroon pepper, ginger and garlic paste, and chopped onions. I'm using 1 kg of chicken wings, but you can use any part of the chicken you like. Once all the seasoning is in, mix everything well so that the flavor blend nicely. Then add a little water, just enough to help the chicken start cooking. Now, we will let it steam on medium heat for about 10 minutes. This step is very important because as the chicken steams, it will release its natural juices, making it more tender and full of flavor. While the chicken is steaming, let's blend our red bell pepper and Scotch bonnet. You can adjust the amount of Scotch bonnet based on how spicy you want your soup. After 10 minutes, add the blended peppers and pepper soup spice. Let it cook for another 15 minutes to allow all the flavors to blend together. You can find the pepper soup spice in the market or Afroshop. After 15 minutes, your pepper soup is almost ready. Test to see if you need to adjust anything, then garnish with mint leaves or scent leaves depending on what you have. Let it simmer for a few minutes and it is ready. Congratulations! You have just made the best pepper soup. If you have watched this video to the end, it means you love this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.